Don't even swear, just like random, like, incoherent noises. It's like, I'm so disgusted with myself right now.
Alright.
How's everyone doing for drinks?
Good.
I think we're good.
Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Thank you.
I would. Can we talk about this for a second?
What?
Have another martini.
No.
She said I want another martini.
It's your game.
No, no.
Another one?
No, what?